In construction, every detail matters. Work does not end when the asphalt is laid, but when it lasts over time. With 6 decades of experience in the construction industry, Premaco has been the answer to these challenges, standing out in the manufacture and application of world-class asphalt concrete. We are Premaco, synonymous with trust and efficiency. Our plant, equipped with cutting-edge anti-pollution technology, has the capacity to produce 600,000 annual tons of asphalt concrete. For us, quality is not an option, it's a standard. That's why we have an internal laboratory where we conduct more than 10 tests on our inputs and final products. At Premaco, we know that the true completion of a project is marked by the guarantee of its durability. That's why every project we undertake comes back by an absolute guarantee. Premaco, forging a more durable future with you. We are the answer to your construction challenges. Come and discover how we can take your project to the next level. We are not just a name in the industry. We are undisputed leaders in the production and installation of asphalt layers in Nuevo Leon, Tamaulipas, and Coahuila. As proud members of the Mexican Asphalt Association AC and the National Asphalt Pavement Association, we not only follow standards, we establish them. Our commitment to excellence has led us to the cover of Pan American Construction Magazine, standing out and being recognized at the Latin American level. With Premaco, you're forging a solid and enduring future. Join the asphalt construction revolution. Call us now at 818-150-3700 or visit premaco.com.mx. Start your journey with Premaco, your indispensable ally in every project.